In this video, we're going to do a short walkthrough of the review module. The review module is a way of recycling questions you've answered in the tests and quizzes. Let's see how that might work. I'm going to open up the tests and quizzes, log in, and after I log in, you'll see that this particular student, who I logged in as here, has taken a large number of fundamentals of art tests here. Now there's lots more fundamentals of art tests in the level and the section exams and so forth, and the comprehensive exams. There's more of those in these other tests, but we have a significant number. In fact, I would guess we probably have around 160 or 70 questions here in the tests that we've taken. If I want to recycle those and study those and use those for learning, then I have to go to the review. So I'm going to close the Take Test module. And let's see how this looks over here in the review module. Now, since I've already logged in, I don't have to log in again, and it brings me in under the same login down here. And we're going to open up the art, and we're going to open up the art fundamentals. And let's look at art in the Western world. And you'll see that in the art in the Western world, we can look at the different areas and see which ones I need the most work on. This one just has one question. This one has about 2 questions, I guess, but this middle one has something like 10, 11 questions total. And as you can see, I have 10 of these are marked as level 1, which means I've already taken them in the review once, and the second time through then I've gotten one of them correct. So let's go ahead and start working with these 11 questions, and you'll see how this works. Which influential architectural feature of the Greek period is best exemplified in the Parthenon? And that would be columns. Notice it reduces the level 1 questions and gives me a level 2, because now that one has been gotten right twice in a row. Okay, it says level 2 right here. That means I've gotten it right twice. Go to the next question. Which influential artistic technique is the Italian Renaissance artist Filippo Brunelleschi credited with developing? He did a linear perspective, but let's miss it. Let's miss it. If I miss it, it goes back down. It was level 1. It goes back down to level 0. So that question now is at level 0, and because this is organized to give you the lowest level questions first, we probably will get that question again. And there it is. Now, basically, it's going to make a list of questions and put the lowest level questions on the top, organized from oldest to newest. So it'll keep giving you new questions unless you miss one, and then that'll go to the top of the list, and you'll get to answer it right away again. Okay, so now that question is back to level 1. We'll go to the next question. Oath of the Horatii is level 1. If we miss it, we'll have a question at level 0. Let's go ahead and get it right. That was Jacques-Louis David. And we'll go to the next question. It's a level 1. And the Bauhaus attempted to reconcile mass manufacture with aesthetic form. Here's a level 2 question. The Bauhaus attempted to reconcile... Okay, that's already level 2. The next one is level 1, which means it's one of these. And if we get it right, well, it'll go over to level 2. Let's see. The heel stone marks the midsummer solstice line. Next question. Byzantine is best known for its mosaics, and so on. And now we're going to get all these level 1s before we get any of the level 2s again. So we've gotten these only right once, these 5 questions, and these 6 questions I've gotten right twice. So if you could imagine the list of questions here. Let's see if I can show you these. Yeah, they're not quite formatted right. So let me go back to where I was. Anyway, there's a table behind the scenes, and it keeps resorting after every question to show you, to give you the questions that logically you would want to have next, so that you can gradually work with this whole set of questions and move them up to a higher and higher level. Okay, so that's the way the review works. And if at any time you want to start over with these, you can hit the clear marks. And this actually is showing it wrong. I'm going to fix that. These are all back to level 0. Okay, so let's answer one now. Duryea was using Northern Naturalism. See, now they've corrected themselves. We have 10 at level 0 and 1 at level 1. So you can reset their scores and start them over if you'd like. And that's the review unit, and that's the way that one works.